Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we are out here. We are working on our brush grill. We're going to show you. We'll go over it. If you want to see how we ground the welds and that sort of thing, you can go to the RV one for the tire rack, or you can go to the Jeep Safari project and see us working on that pipe and bending that pipe and welding that pipe and grinding that pipe. So we didn't show you that, but we got it all in primer, and let's take a look. We're getting ready for paint soon. So here we are, brush grill. You can see we've got it all ground in. We got it all in primer, so that's nice. You can kind of see how we ground some of these in. They aren't perfect, but it'll look good. And you really grind the welds at the bottom there. We did cap the ends of those pipes so they look nicer. And we will come back and show you the paint job, and then we're going to go fit this thing on the RV. Remember how we did it, where these two slide into receivers, and then we put some pins in it. So there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. We'll get this painted and show you on the RV, and it's coming up. Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, brush grill time. We are working on the paint job. We are going to start with some Scotch-Brite. Make sure our primer is scuffed good. We're going to get this thing scuffed. It's not going to take us long here. So there you go. We are sanded up. Time for the respirator and to get spraying. A lot of shaking going on. Okay, a lot of shaking going on here. Yeah, we're rattle canning it out in the yard. But this is the Almond. It matches the RV. So, hey, we're in like Flint here. Time to don the mask and get spraying. Well, we'll continue on this project until we're done. We'll bring you back to show you the finished grill guard. Well, hey, thanks for watching My Two Good Hands. We will show you this on the RV, but it is painted. Looks nice. Put almost 4 cans on it. It looks really good. Gonna let it dry overnight and then put it on tomorrow. So stay tuned to this video because we're going to show it all in this video. Doesn't look bad though. And show you some of the things here. How it looks. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Well, we're letting it dry. It's really wet right now. We got some good thick coats of wet on there. We'll probably get a couple bugs to land on the outside because we're out in the yard, but this is looking really good. We did a few scrapes in the metal that we didn't fix, so we'll see those little defects, but that's okay. Like right here, you could see the bender. If you could see that very well, but the bender made a mark in it. We didn't fix that kind of stuff. So there you go. We did not paint them all the way to the ends because we know when we paint this, it binds up in there. So here we are out at the finished product of the RV cattle guard or brush grill or grill guard, or whatever you want to talk about it. You can see how it's away from the hood and away from the grill. Goes into those receivers right down there. You can see how we come up here. See what it looks like in the front here. You can see how it's got the headlight through it. And you can also see how it's got the space here. And this here is taller than the hood. So when you look through the window, you can see this out in front. And you can see this. So you know right where the RV is when you're sitting inside. So here's the view from inside the RV. You can see what we can see. If you lean up just a little bit, you can see that edge You can definitely see the one on your side, so that's nice. And you can see the piece in the center, so it gives you a nice view. So there you go. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. You saw it here. We made the cattle guard, brush grill, whatever. This is sturdy. We've got 1 inch by 3 inch steel. We've got 2-inch tube. We got 1.25 inch tube. We're all set. This should protect us from any branches and livestock or anything that comes out in the road. You also saw how we could see it through the window. So that's kind of nice. We know right where the front is. We won't bump anything when we're trying to go through a campground. So catch you in the next video.